Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been making headlines lately because of the lottery, and that's the H-1B visa. With all the recent buzz, it's no wonder many of you are feeling uncertain about your immigration options. Most likely, if you're watching this video, you were not accepted and you did not get the lottery results you wanted for the H-1B. So don't worry, we've created a guide to show some options that you really should be considering. First things first, let's break down what the H-1B visa really means. It's a non-immigrant visa allowing US employers to hire foreign workers and specialized occupations. So think tech, healthcare, various skilled fields. Now here's where it gets tricky. There's a cap on how many H-1B visas are issued each year, with just 65,000 spots available, plus an additional 20,000 for master's degree holders. The competition is fierce. In fact, during the government fiscal year 2024, over 780,000 people threw their hats in the ring for a chance of getting the prize H-1B visa. For that reason, let me present to you some alternatives that you should have on your radar, starting with the E-2 visa. We founded Visa Franchise back in 2015 to help people invest in businesses for the E-2 visa. It's an easy path where you determine your own destiny and offers a fantastic alternative to the H-1B, especially if you have entrepreneurial dreams. Unlike the H-1B, which focuses on employment, the E-2 visa is all about investing and entrepreneurship. So if you're looking to be your own boss, do different consulting type work potentially, this could be the visa for you. This program has been seeing a significant uptick in recent years. In fact, the previous year alone in the United States issued nearly 54,000 E-2 visas, marking the highest number on record. We've delved deeper into this topic in a previous video, highlighting its growing popularity. One of the benefits for the E-2 visa is your spouse can work. So if you're married, one of you can be the entrepreneur, run a small franchise business or independent business. Another one can work at the company that maybe was sponsoring you for the H-1B, or you're sponsoring your spouse for the H-1B. The key thing is for the E-2 visa, you have to have a treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States for the passport that you hold. So there's about 80 countries. Unfortunately, none of the BRICS qualify. So Brazil, Russia, India, China don't qualify, but there's about 80 countries that qualify for the E-2 visa. And it's really important that you demonstrate the investment, how you're going to be creating American jobs. You're essentially selling the consulate officer that you have what it takes to successfully operate this business, grow this business, and that you should be getting a visa and you're going to have a positive benefit to the US. So before we delve into other options that you have, in case you didn't get the H-1B lottery and you didn't get the results you had, we've created a free guide on how to buy a franchise complete with exclusive statistics on the E-2 visa, average earnings for different investment ranges, essential tips to increase your odds of visa approval, and much more. You can find the link in the description section below. If entrepreneurship does not align with your aspirations, you're not married, you're single, there's no need to worry. Another viable option worth considering is the O-1 visa, especially if you're a STEM graduate. The approval rate for the O-1 visa is quite high. We're talking over 90% for STEM workers. The O-1 visa caters to those with extraordinary abilities or achievements in different fields such as science, arts, education, business, or athletics. Unlike the H-1B, there are no numerical caps or lotteries associated with this visa category. Same thing with the E-2 visa. This makes it an enticing choice for highly accomplished individuals. We've seen a visa franchise that a lot of people are eligible for the O-1 visa, even if they might not think they are. So it's not just for Einstein. This visa category has proven successful for people in their 20s, 30s. You have to show though that you've had publications, memberships in prestigious organizations, you've won awards. For this visa, you really have to highlight your individual merit and achievements. Now, for those wondering how to navigate the O-1 visa process seamlessly, we can help you out. Teaming up with renowned law firms specializing in technology and entertainment, we offer our expertise to help secure O-1 visas. We're uniquely positioned to source different U.S. work opportunities, whether that's through contract work, full-time work, providing more flexibility to being tied down to just one employer. So leave the administrative burden to us, together with the attorney, managing the visa process, paperwork, managing your LinkedIn, GitHub, all that. We'll have the recruiters flocking over your profile and working with you to find your dream job or engagement in no time. So if you're interested, you can find a free guide in the description below with all the information related to the O-1 visa. So if the H-1B visa didn't work out for you, don't worry, there's other opportunities to explore. More more entrepreneurial route and you have a spare 80, 100K, you have the E2 visa. O1 visa, if you are an accomplished professional already. Generally, STEMs, if you're in the science field, it's going to be easier path forward, and you have 10, 12, 13K to allocate to the process, then the O1 visa is a good potential for you. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next video.